In the late 19th century, a remarkable symbol of freedom was born. The Statue of Liberty, officially named Liberty Enlightening the World, was a monumental gift from France to the United States. Designed by sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi and engineered by the legendary Gustave Eiffel, the statue was envisioned as a tribute to independence and the shared ideals of liberty between nations. Construction began in France, where the statue was carefully crafted in copper sheets and assembled piece by piece. Once completed, it was disassembled into over 300 individual parts and shipped across the Atlantic Ocean in 1885. Upon arrival in New York Harbor, the pieces were reassembled atop a massive pedestal on Liberty Island. Standing over 300 feet tall, the Statue of Liberty quickly became one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. Torch raised high, she welcomed millions of immigrants arriving by sea, offering hope, opportunity, and the promise of a new beginning. Her green color, known as patina, formed naturally over time as the copper reacted with the air. This unique shade has protected the statue for over a century, allowing her to endure storms, winds, and the passing of time. Today, the Statue of Liberty remains a global symbol of freedom, unity, and resilience. An enduring reminder that the pursuit of liberty is a light meant to guide all who seek it.